Changing the email link to your Coinbase account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon on name in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled email or email preferences. Click on this option to proceed to the email management section. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Confirm the change. After entering the new email, you may need to verify the change by checking your new email inbox for a confirmation link from Coinbase. Click on the link to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your email address linked to your Coinbase account will be successfully changed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Coinbase support for assistance.